Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 3rd of July. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the Brent crude oil price. What we'll see is there's been a good rally over the last few days. That's given it good upside momentum. However, there's a key resistance coming into play at the 50-day moving average, and the weekly picture still does look vulnerable. So on the daily picture, and you can see we've had a good run. Today's slightly off, but over the last week it's moved up. We are into resistance. You can see this picture of trading from there and here, which will create resistance. You can also see the downtrending 50-day moving average. That's at 49.69. That will be a key level. You can see where it's still in this downtrend picture, and really it would need a rally above 454.5 to break that downtrend picture, so a long way to go to that. And as I said, I think that 50-day will be the key. On the positive side, you can see the build up in positive momentum with the RSI and the MACD. RSI presently at 53.07. That momentum could push it up towards the 50 average, and even towards 50 as a key level. But that downtrend in 50 would be an influence, even if we did manage to break above it slightly. On the weekly picture, here it still looks vulnerable, still looks like a rolling picture, and it would take a move about to that 55 for that to be broken. You can just see the 20-week moving average is about to cross the 50. That's actually not as bearish as it could be, because the 50 is still moving up marginally, but the 20 days bearing down on the Brent price, and will be a negative if it comes down further, or if the market bounces into that level. The 20 days presently at can hardly see it, 51 point something. On the RSI, you can see we're still in a downtrend on this weekly, and the MACD below zero and looking like still negative momentum. The value on the RSI, by the way, is 44.49. On the 4-hour picture, here you can see we're nearly up to the resistance of the 200 4-hour average. That's 49.29. What else can we see? I mean, obviously it's broken the downtrend in a solid uptrend. Good momentum. Slight disappointment that the RSI just seems to be coming off slightly at these high levels, but that's quite natural. It's still showing positive momentum. MACD still showing positive momentum. So as I said, the rally could continue with the positive momentum. The 50 level is the key, especially on the daily. Looking at the support resistances, we've got first resistance at that 200 from the 4-hour, 49.29. Then at the 50-day at 49.69. Oops, sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Then we've got support, so one at 47.75 and 47.23. So thanks for watching this video on the Brent oil price. Just to clarify the key points, rally now into resistance, but it does have good momentum. 50-day moving average probably the key, and then the 50 level are just marginally above there, but the weekly still looks vulnerable. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry I put the wrong slide up earlier, but as you know, I'm not perfect in any way. Please remember, these videos are for information only, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.